Hi, a different kind of a vlog today. I'm making this vlog with my Insta 360 1R, and that is why this wide angle kind of a feel. I'm here at my balcony, and shooting and actually testing this new flash that I got. Can you see it here? Sorry, I didn't, I didn't fix it. But yeah, so this is my Sony A7C camera. I have the Godox XT2 trigger, X2T trigger, and I am going to be using the Godox AD100 Pro flash for the first time. It's a small little flash, almost like a Coke can, in fact, as big as a Coke can, and let's just do some experiments, take some self portraits, because what does one do in a lockdown? I can't go and shoot my models or anybody else, so shoot myself. Let's try this. This is a very candid kind of a vlog, so it's not like I have planned this or kind of set it up in advance. So I hope you enjoy this kind of a realistic stuff. So as you can see over here, this is the AD100 Pro flash, and this is the charging, this is the charger, this is the plug, and it comes with this nice little stand or whatever, the holder to put your umbrella, put it on the stand. And I've also got this kit which has all these accessories to put on your flash, which is quite neat. So look at this tiny little flash, quite cool, I say. Oh, it's already on. Little thing. Let's go have some fun. So the audio is wholly and solely from the Insta 360 1R. I know the audio is not the best, but it's nice to have a little raw feel to your videos at times, isn't it? So it's all set over here. My camera with the Tamron 28-75 lens, the Godox X2T trigger, and the AD100 Pro, the star of today's self-portraits. Let's see how I look. It's a fairly cloudy day over here, not much of a sun anyways. So let's see, how do I fill in with this flash, what kind of pictures we can create. Let's have a look. I'll keep telling you what I do. Right now it's the bare flash. There's no accessory, no diffuser, no shaper, no umbrella, nothing. Though I'll be using all these other accessories, and we'll see what the difference is. Let's go. So I'll be shooting myself with the trigger, as in with the phone app, so I can look at myself, what is the frame like, and then I will click the shoot button and it'll click my pictures. So yeah, that's how I shoot self-portraits. Let's go. So I'm going to increase my shutter speed over here to 1/2000, and let's see, make the image slightly darker so that the flash kind of shows its power over here. Let's see. So as you saw over there, I reduced the whole exposure of the environment and used the flash as a main light. So even in like a bright daylight, in a way, in the middle of the day, the environment is dark, but you can have a little spotlight. Very interesting kind of way to create a picture. Now let's try an umbrella and make that light a little more softer. So right now the setting is, the shutter speed is 1/4000 of a second, 4000 of a second. ISO is 100. The aperture is 2.8, and the flash power is 1/2, which is just one shot of the complete full power. So I'll make it full bright and then see what's the effect like. So as you saw, those are some very nice portraits, self-portraits, even though they were not the best, because if I had a model, I would have clicked some really good pictures. But yeah, that's the best I can do if I'm clicking myself. But still, you can see in the middle of the day, I made the whole environment almost practically dark, and it almost looked like a fake set, like a backdrop, and just used this main light as a hard, not hard because I put an umbrella, so as like a strong light, powerful light to spotlight on my face and light myself up. So yeah, you can see over here the umbrella, the AD100 Pro, and my camera, and that's me. So those are some good results with this light. Yeah, I think it's a small, little, powerful light which can do wonders. For like a small setup, a light setup, you just have to put it anywhere in your camera bag, and just you'll always have a flash with you. So you don't need to really carry heavy duty stuff all the time. If you want a quick shoot, even in outdoors, even indoors, for sure, it'll like brighten up a whole room with its flash. But for outdoors also, this will work. I was standing about 2 feet away from the light at full power in the middle of the day, and the shutter speed was 1/4000. Now if I kind of make the whole environment a little more brighter, you will see the difference. See. So now the shutter speed is 1/1000, and I'll put the light on 1/4. Let's see. So here you can see the whole environment is nice and bright. You can see the greens at the back. You can see my face nice and bright, and the power was 1/4 of the flash, not the full power. And the shutter speed is 1000 per second, and aperture 2.8, ISO 100. So even if you don't want to kind of darken the whole backdrop, you can do this. You don't need to use the full intensity. You can use the camera on just the shutter speed on 1000 of a second, and you're done. So I hope you enjoyed this small little quick self-portrait video with the AD100 Pro. I may make an extensive review on the light later on. So stay tuned for that, and if you like such videos, please do keep liking these videos and do subscribe to my channel, and until next time, keep shooting.